Hello everyone. As a continuation of the previous video, I will discuss the workflow execution in the due date tracker tool in this video. I have already created 3 workflows in the workflows section under E.A.T. I will select the due date tracker folder from here. Here are the 3 workflows as due date tracker advanced, due date tracker basic and the due date tracker standard. Now, if we go inside the Global Filing Manager module within the due date tracker tool, we can see different return filing types with varying due dates in the grid. As the due date tracker workflow is a solution-specific workflow, we must first assign the workflow in a specific return as per our requirements. We have to click on return ID of any return, which is the first column of the due date tracker grid. The top section of this screen is the card view. It displays the details of the specific return. In the bottom part, we can see the occurrences separated by the type of deadlines. This is where we assign workflows for specific returns. We can find some default occurrences that are generated according to the interval of filing of returns. However, users can add custom occurrences from the action menu by simply providing a due date for the occurrence. Clicking on Assign Workflow under the E.A.T Workflow field will open up a dialog box. It allows us to select any workflow from the drop-down. These were pre-made from the Workflows module under E.A.T. I will select the due date tracker standard workflow from here. So as you can see, the workflow has been assigned. Now we need to initiate this workflow. Clicking on the Start Workflow from the Action menu will initiate a workflow for this occurrence. Initiating a workflow redirects us to the first node of the workflow, which is the status draft. A notifying email also got triggered to the assigned personnel. This is the email the assigned person will be receiving from their end. The returns, running stage and the due date are enlisted on the email body. A link has been engraved in this email as well. This link redirects the assigned person to the same screen as before. Now, this person can upload items or create folders from the Actions menu as per their requirement, which will be show up over here. I have uploaded a document over here for reference purposes. Upon fulfilling the requirements for this node, the person assigned must change the status to the next available stage, which is for this case is ready for review. Also mark all the checklist items from here and click Save. I will click Save from here. Checking all the checklist items has enabled the Mark as Complete option. I will now click on the Mark as Complete option. Clicking Mark as Complete has shifted the workflow to the next stage. Also, a notifying mail has been triggered to the next assigned member. As you can see, the newly triggered email body contains updated status and the same due date as before. These steps will be repeated until the workflow reaches its final status, which is closed. As we have completed and reached the closed status by clicking Mark as Complete, the screen will redirect us to the design of the workflow. We can see that all the nodes are highlighted as green, denoting the workflow is completed. Similarly, we can assign all the other available workflows where these steps needs to be followed to get to the end of the workflow, saying that this concludes our execution of workflows within the due date tracker tool. Thank you.